Being a car enthusiast, I go through a lot of wheels and tires, and one thing I've never purchased is any kind of protection plan for my tires. If something happened to them, I would just replace them and eat the cost. However, companies like Tire Rack and Simple Tire and some others have started offering their 2-year, 1-year road hazard plans for free with the purchase of a new tire. And this was my first experience ever actually utilizing that warranty or protection plan. So let's talk about it a little bit and see if it's worth it. Weeks ago, I got a huge nail on my sidewall that was not repairable. So, of course, I was irritated. I was pissed because I just got these tires. And like I mentioned earlier, I forgot that these tires actually came with a 2-year road hazard that I'd never actually utilized before. So I figured, hey, why not try this and see what happens? Just as skeptical as everybody else on how warranties work because they always try to screw you out of it, right? So I called them and they basically said everything's done online, and I got even more skeptical. It was actually a lot easier than I thought, and once I was signed up, I was able to just submit my claim. Now, I thought what would happen is they would send me a brand new tire after the claim was filed and approved. However, that's not how it works. You basically sign up for the claim, and to file it, you have to submit an original receipt from Tire Rack and also the installation receipt. So I just drove over to Discount Tire, got a printout of the labor they did, and I submitted it. Now what you actually have to do is go buy the tire. Now you have an option here. You can either buy the tire anywhere else or you can buy it on Tire Rack. And I recommend buying it on Tire Rack because if you buy it on Tire Rack, let's say the price of the tire is now higher, Tire Rack will actually refund you the full amount, even if it's higher than what you originally paid. If you buy it from a third party, you actually only get the refund for the amount you paid Tire Rack originally. For example, I bought these tires for $160 and now I'm shopping around and I'm not finding them any cheaper than $411. That's everywhere. So I decided to buy these through Tire Rack. I actually had to call them because they weren't showing in stock on their website and they just happened to have it. So I purchased it through them and I ended up buying it for $411, and I was not sure that I was actually going to get my money back. Well, I went ahead and submitted my receipt for the purchase, and you're actually supposed to provide some installation receipt as well, which I didn't. But a couple days after I submitted the receipt, I got an approval email from the portal that I was using, and I was super happy, but I was still a little skeptical. And lo and behold, 3 business days after I got that notification, I actually ended up getting this check. I was actually blown away by this because I was very skeptical that this was actually going to show up, but now I was able to just go ahead and pay this tire off. Now, it doesn't cover tax and install, so I'm out maybe about 40-50 bucks, but I'm okay with that because I get a brand new tire. So here I am, a skeptic of this program, but I'm here to tell you that this road hazard program actually works and it's really easy to do. So if you have purchased a tire from Tire Rack or Simple Tire, any of these companies that offer these extended programs for your tires, make sure you utilize it when you can because it works. I hope this helps, and if you find this useful, go ahead and like and subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video. Thanks, everybody. Bye.